so cold, I'm feeling lost.
Hi everybody, it's number 645 and today, it's number 645. I'm going to be doing a video, and so I've got some paintballs here. I just dropped two. Well, let me da-dong. Hey guys, I've got these paintballs that I got today. So I got three, which I kind of got from the paintballing thing in Upminster. So I went there today. Guys, last video I showed you how to make one of these. I did the clock instead of one of them. So yeah, these spin pretty nice. The that fidget spinner, and we've also got the fidget cube and that, and then we got the other fidget spinner. That looks cool. Okay guys, so we got them, and today I've got the grand unpacking of the fidget cube. There's one, and the fidget spinner. Okay guys, so let's get into this. First I'm going to unpack the fidget cube. Here we go. So that's what it kind of looks like. I haven't actually opened these yet, but yeah. Okay, there's some instructions. What? Oh. Okay. Cool. I just read about what it can do. This looks awesome. Okay guys, this is actually quite cool. Just like that. It spins around, then there's a joystick. There's a switch, like recording a light switch. It's sick. There's like a worry stone. Don't know why that. It's like gears. There's a circle thingy. There's buttons. Oh, two of them don't press. Three do. What have I showed you? The spinny thing again. Well, I think I covered it. Okay, I covered it. Now the fidget spinner. Let's open it. I really want to get this. Guys, I've ordered another one. But yeah. That is awesome. It's yellow and black. Cool. That is sick. Looks like it's going backwards. Watch this. Okay guys, so I can stuff it between hands. Yeah. It's really hard. This is so hard. Why didn't I start it on this hand? Yes, did it! Did it! I did it 4 times. So guys, let's do this. Okay, that's what it came with. It went like this. Like that. Then that. Okay. And the fidget cube came in this. Like they're in there somehow. Right. Wait a minute. Look like that. So guys, this has been quite a good video. Yeah, so I've taught you how to build these. It's not the best. But now, I'm going to do this. This is going to be awesome. Okay. Alright. We're spinning. Okay, let's see how long the song can last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, let's start that again. I'm going to start it on 60. Okay, 5 minutes, 57, 58, 59. Go. Let's go in. It looks so cool. That looks awesome. Ooh, sweet! 24, 25, 26, 27. It doesn't go for that long. Maybe I'll try again. Ah! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 seconds. Favourite number? I planned that. No, I didn't actually. So, yeah, let's end the video, guys. Please subscribe and goodbye.